Hello guys, welcome back to Surya Zone. Today we are at day 15 of our 50-day SQL challenge, and then the today problem name is 620 not boring movies. Okay, and then we have a table called cinema, which has an attributes like ID, which is of in type, movie, description, and rating. And here they have mentioned that ID is the primary key for this table, and each row contains information about the name of the movie and its genre and its rating and all. So rating is at two decimal places float in the range of 0 to 10. That also they have mentioned that how many decimal places this float has, like that. Okay. And now let's start with the problem statement. If you see, write a solution to report the movies with an odd numbered ID and a description that is not boring. Okay. So return the result of a table ordered by a rating in descending order. Okay, we have to return the result in an result based on a certain attribute called rating in a descending order. Okay, let's see the input now. So if you see the input table cinema, like here we have an ID, movie, description, and rating. And here if we see the odd numbered ID which is required in the output, let's say 1 is the odd number and 2 is not the odd number, 2 is even number, and 3 is odd number, 4 is even number, 5 is odd number, right? So, and then similarly if we see the description, this is boring. So they are asking us to not to include the description boring, and also they only want the odd numbered ID. Okay, so and this is the expected output, because here the odd numbers are 5 and 1, and 3 won't come in the output because its description is boring. Okay, so now let's try to solve the problem. Let me write select from cinema where ID mod 2, like that also we can do, equal to 0, and also one more condition, description not equal to boring. Okay, and then here we need all the columns, but we need the output in an order by rating descending. Okay, so let me run this output. One minute guys, let me check. Sorry, we need to mention mod to not equal to 0, because anything divided by 2 it will become even number. So that's why the even number are coming in the output. If you see 4 and 2, so this should not be equal to 0. Let me run this now. Yeah, it has accepted the test case. Let's try to see whether it is accepting the hidden test cases or not by submitting the problem. Yeah, so it has accepted that as well. Okay, cool. Thank you guys. There are some mod function as well which we can use. I want you to go and search and utilize that mod function as well. Okay, if you want to know more about this kind of functions, please do let me know in the comment box. I will create a separate video after completing this 50-day SQL challenge. Okay, thank you guys. See you tomorrow.